Welcome back to Salations. Do we have a treat for you today? This Chrome extension is going to help you share to more than 5 people at once. It's called 5 Plus, funnily enough. And what it is, it basically allows you to share anything you want to more than 5 people. We all know how annoying WhatsApp is. It limits you to 5 people at a time. But now with this Chrome extension, when you use it inside WhatsApp web, you can actually share to more than 5 people. So without talking too much, let me just show you how it works. The way to get it to work is you choose any message you want to share. So you click on the little down arrow, as you can see down here. It can be text, audio, video, whatever it is. You click on the little down arrow. Then you click on this brand new button that you won't probably have. But when you add the extension, it will show up. You click on that. And then you can select if you want more messages together with it to forward together all at once, so you can forward to more than 5 people. So I'm going to share this image, this text, and this sound all at the same time. Now, when I click this button, usually what would happen if you're using regular WhatsApp web, you won't be able to see this window here. Now, this window is the game changer. It's what allows you to forward to as many groups as you want. So as you can see, I can rescan here to scan all of my groups into the list here. And then I can either select all or select the groups I want to send to. Now I can also search for groups. If I type test group here, it will show me the test groups. And that way I can make my selection properly, so that I can then click on share to. So if I click select all, you can see it says share to all 67 groups. And that's going to help me share my content to all of my groups and be bypassing the 5 group limit safely. So for those of you who are now selecting groups, let me just select a few just for the demonstration. And then I can, before I click share to 6 groups, what I could do is actually save this as a preset. Now, the reason why I'd want to do this is because then later on, you don't have to search again for the correct groups to send. You can actually give it a smart name, like, for example, my local team, for example, my local groups, whatever it is. You know, you can be smart with this so you don't forget. That way, you can save this as a preset so that next time, if I have nothing selected, I can just click here, select a preset, and go to my the one I just created. It actually doesn't appear this time, but it will appear the next time I load the extension. So as you can see, you can select a preset, and you can see the ones that have been chosen by clicking this. And that's it. We're ready to do the demo. Are you ready, guys? We're about to actually do the demo live right now. So I'm going to click on share to 11 groups right now, and you're going to see this magic happening. 3, 2, 1. Sharing to 11 WhatsApp groups in one click. So here we are. So as you can see, it's going to be searching and adding, and it's going to be bypassing the 5 group limit on WhatsApp. And the reason why this is so important is because WhatsApp only lets you share to 5 at a time. But using this extension, you're going to be able to share to as many groups as you need to in one go. So as you can see, it's sharing the content. You can see it live right now, working perfectly. And after it shares to the first 5, it actually has a delay, a delay that you can actually set. Let me show you how to set the delay. To set a delay, you click on this on the actual Chrome extension. So let me just demonstrate that right now. I'm going to actually demonstrate the Chrome extension while it's working. So you can choose the delay, the regular delay. So right now it's set by default, I think, to 8. And you can also add a second delay, which is between about 5 and 20 seconds, random delay. And basically, or 2 to 10 seconds. But this is the one you can actually modify. You can actually select a predetermined batch delay so that it will honor that and kind of make sure that you're not batch processing too much information in one go, because we don't want our Chrome extension to get flagged. We don't want your account to get flagged either. The reason why is because if you do too much in one go, even without a Chrome extension, you could get flagged. So make sure you don't overdo this. Be human about it. This is supposed to replace human work and do a little bit more. It's not supposed to come along and start, you know what I mean, you posting to 1 million groups. Like, no human being can do that. So if you honor these very basic rules, your account is going to be safe and secure, and you will end up being able to share to an unlimited number of groups in one go. And this sums up this new Chrome extension called 5 Plus, the Chrome extension that will finally give you the ability to share to more than 5 groups at any one time. So as you can see, it's shared to all 11 groups we chose. You saw that live right now in front of you. And that's all. That was the entire process, and we finished. You can cancel the automation by clicking here at any time. So I was Daniel, your host. We create Chrome extensions and other software for business owners that want to save time. And as you can see, this is our latest Chrome extension 5 Plus for WhatsApp. It's not actually available yet. If you click here, you'll end up putting your name in. Probably if you're watching this video, it's probably already out right now. Just type 5 Plus in in the Chrome Web Store, and you'll find it right there. We also have one for Facebook. It's exactly the same thing, just works inside Facebook. It's called Multiple Group Share Assistant. So these two Chrome extensions are must-have for all social media marketers and people who just want to get their name out there by creating a post and then sharing it to many groups at once without doing that manual labor that WhatsApp makes you do, because WhatsApp forces you to kind of do 5 at a time. Facebook lets you do, I think, 1 at a time, which is kind of insane in 2026. So make sure you add it to Chrome right now. It's free to try. There are no limits to the use of it. So you can literally test it for a couple of days, completely free, no credit card needed, nothing. You just install it right now, add it to Chrome, and then start testing it. If it matches your needs, of course, support us by extending your subscription. Thank you for watching this video. We were Salations, and this was a demonstration of 5 Plus for WhatsApp, which is the most newest 2026 extension, which lets you share to more than 5 groups at once. That's why it's called 5 Plus. See you in the next one.